Sorry guys, I didn't press the button. So we're here. Bad weather. What the? It's thunder, okay. Be like when I'm going for eggs. That is thunder. Me. Screams. Jump over the lasers. Or well. Wee. This is quite easy. Oh, I almost died. I almost dying. Oh, I died. Well, let's look. Okay. Get to the water. I'm using health. I did it. Good. Thank God. But where to find? So to find and press the button. I'm really confused on this. I'm confused. Like, what the? I don't know where it is. We found the button. Let's press the button. Get to the other side. Okay. Oh, that's literally cheating. He cheated using that. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna put this banana peel. Boy. No. It's quite funny. Because there's cars just ran over people. Hurry to the ground. Boing. I'm gonna put some banana peels. It's quite funny. Boing. Boinga boinga. Yay. Oh. Let's see. Boingy boingy. Wee. This is cool. And by the way, guys, I'm remaking my old video because an old video of me playing Dirt Rusty Bug because I'm like, it's quite not good enough. Like, yeah. And this is a little remake. This is a remake. Wee. I'm falling. Reached the. Oh, I just fell. Oh. That's good. Whoever did that, you're perfect. Yes, I made it to the end. Dodge the lasers. This is quite easy. Oh, I died.